Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, another unbagging, right? But still, we're currently on the trend of doing these survival freeze-dried foods, and today we're going to take a look at yet another one by Mountain House from their adventure meals, Chicken and Dumplings. Okay, now Mountain House has been around for a very, very long time, like 30 plus years. They are out of Albany, Oregon, so I think it's really, really cool that I'm helping support a company from my former state of residence. Now let's get all the fun stuff out of the way early. I couldn't find a single pack like this on Amazon. I found like a 6-pack for $50, but on mountainhouse.com, this is $9.25, and I think I paid anywhere between 10 and 15 at my local Walmart when I grabbed it. Now, what I think is cool is these you can buy if you have SNAP cards or EBT benefits. You can buy these on that card simply because they are food, but they're not hot food. They're not prepared food. You guys know the list. You can buy it. So that is an option for you. One of the things I love about these is they have these remarkable shelf lives. Seriously. What is that? Right there, March 2051. I hope I'm not around when this thing expires because I'll be even older than I am now. Okay, for all you guys who like the nutritional facts, there you go. As you can see over here, it's really, really simple to do. You basically tear the top off. This one needs 1 1/3 cups of boiling water. Let it stand for 9 minutes. Now, I'm going to show you the inside, and something you really need to make sure you do before you start prepping all of your food. A lot of people tend to forget this, and yeah. Hold on. Inside everyone is one of those the silica packs, whatever, things that help keep all the moisture and everything out. Please remove that. You can boil it in there. It's not going to harm your food. It's not going to leave any foul odors or bad tasting. Just don't eat the damn pack. All right? I don't care what anybody says. It says do not eat all over it. There's nothing good in there, so leave it the F alone. For those of you who have never seen the inside of one of these packs before, there it is before we dump the water. One thing I am going to suggest heavily, you don't have to, it's just going to add to the flavor. When you're mixing it up, make sure you're scraping down the sides of each pack, because sometimes all the dehydrated stuff seems to cluster and congeal in there, and you want to break it up and get it moved around to get the best taste possible. Alright, I'm going to go to the kitchen. I'm going to get this thing made up. You guys really don't want to watch water boil and me babble on for 9 minutes, so I'm just going to hit that big old pause, and we'll be back when it's ready. Alright, I'm back. You miss me? Yeah, probably not. But still, once again, we have our trusty MRE spoon. It's ready. I don't know, can you see that steam coming up from there? Look at that. Okay, so that's how it turned out. It seriously looks more like a stew in a bag, but still. The gravy's really, really nice. I mean, it's not really runny. You've got lots of vegetables in here. You got peas, you got carrots. You've got good old pieces of chicken in here. So, I know. Let's just get to it, right? Let's get some taste testing in. Now, that was good. First thing that jumps out is, unlike that other meal I did that had biscuits in there, that really interesting one, the dumpling in here is really smooth all the way through. No little crunchy bits, no little undercooked stuff so far. It has a great taste to it, which for freeze-dried meals is very important to me, because when you're out in the backcountry and you're hungry as crap, you don't want to be eating styrofoam. You just really, really don't. So, alright. Big thing of veggies. Alright. That one, I had a dumpling that wasn't done all the way through. When I bit, it was like crunch. That's a chewy, crunchy little fucker. Alright, big thing of chicken. Not bad. I mean, seriously, not bad. Would it be something I would definitely get for on my various bags? Yes. Would it be something I'd probably stock up on in case of an emergency? Yeah. I can easily see after eating this, because it's supposed to be 2 servings or 1 for a normal person, where it'd be rather filling. So here's the last one. Yeah, I like it. I really do like that one. I mean, is it my favorite Mountain House one? Not yet. That's coming to the channel. That one I've bought many, many times before. That one is kind of like my go-to drunk snack. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's 3 in the morning. You really don't want to piss off the better half by turning on the oven and everything else. But still, I would easily buy this one again. I would easily recommend this one to friends and family. I would easily recommend this one to everybody who's watching this video. I am totally unpaid in this. That is just my opinion. So, we are at that part of the video that I love the most. Seriously, I really truly do love this part of the video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. All that fun stuff right down below. Have you used this one by Mountain House before? Would you recommend this one by Mountain House? What are your experiences with them? Honestly, I've had really, really good experiences with Mountain House. It's very few and far between that there's one I don't like, unlike that blueberry granola one. Now, that one was just not for me. Seriously, it really, really wasn't. I know I haven't shot that video, but I'm going to have to go find another one and bring it to the channel. Okay? But still, now, if I made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But there we go, guys. My quick unbagging of Mountain House Adventure Meals, Chicken and Dumplings. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope all of you are having a safe day, a great day, and I will see all of you, especially you trying to hide in the back, in our very next video.